Hi there and welcome into this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you about global time dilatation and about custom time dilatation, so that you can both set the global time dilatation in your game while not affecting your character itself. So let's say I can make things go a lot slower but still keeping the speed of our character. I can make things go normal again, like that, and I can make things go a lot faster for everything else besides our character. Of course, if you want your character to be faster as well, it's up to you. I'm going to be showing both of these nodes and how we can set them together and separate it as well. In order to create our time dilatation ability, I'm going to be using the third person template. So let's get into it. First thing, go to your content drawer and then just select third person, blueprint, BP third person character. And over here, I'm going to be first showing what is the time dilatation, how you can set a custom dilatation for your player as well. First thing, I'm going to get an input that's going to be, let's say, number one, a key. You can use any key that you want. And I'm going to set global time. So just right click, set global time, dilatation, like that. So with this, I can set the global time dilatation in my entire world for every object, including our character. So let's say I want our time to go really slow. I could make something like 0.1, and now everything would be going slower when I press this key. As you can see over here, everything's fine. I press that key. Now everything is in slow motion. Let me just show you when I get to this object I wanted to show you. So as you can see, everything, including the object itself. So I can also increase the speed. So let's say if I want things to go faster, I could make something like 3. And now everything's faster. Everything is a lot faster than before because I changed the global dilatation for everything. So for that, I am going to be showing 3 types that you can be using. So let's get to key. And let's get the number 3 as well. So get the number 3 here. So I'm going to get 3 of those. So like that, like this. So the first one is going to make things slower. So I'm going to make it 0.2. So that's not that much slower. This next one is going to be to make things the normal value. And the other one is just to make things, let's say, a lot faster. So let's leave it as 3. And now I can go into our word and just be switching between the two. So I could make something like this, go back to normal, and goes faster, as you can see. And then, but there is one small problem that you might have be able to notice. Let's say you want things to go slower in your game, but you don't want to affect specific character, or let's say your own character. So there is another one that you can be using for that. That's going to see custom time dilatation. So you can set it over here. And the first thing that you're going to notice is that this value is affected by the global time dilatation. So let's say over here, the time is 0.2 for the global time. If I want things to be normal again, I need to make this as 5, because 5 times 0.2 is going to be 1. So if I do it like that, everything is going to be normal again. So I make things, actually, everything is going to be slower, but our character is going to be normal. So now everything should be slower, as you can see over here, but our character is normal. If I place, let's say, if instead of 5 I place this as 1 and compile it, I go over here and I'm going to still be slower because it didn't make any difference, because 1 times 0.2 is still 0.2. So for this one, leave as 5. For the normal one, you leave it as 1, or you can make, let's say, only your character faster and everything normal. It's up to you. I'm going to only be showing how you can make that. And let's say this one, everything is faster. How I can make things go is normal for your character, but everything else still going faster. Just as before, you can make it like, for this case, is going to be 0.333. And yeah, of course, this is not going to be 1, it's going to be closer to 1, but you get the point. Compile it, save it, and now let's go back into here. So now if I make things go faster, our character is still normal, but everything else in the world is faster. So That's basically what I want to show you, how you can set these things. So this one is for fast. Let's just get the show bubble over here. This one is for normal, show bubble as well. And this one is for slow and show bubble as well. So that's basically it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Visit train.memtinteract.com and enroll in this course to get all source files. Use coupon code MEMT to enroll for free.